Coming up on Tiger Vision News, cheer tumbles, spring callbacks, and soccer heads out.
All this and much more on Tiger Vision News.
Good morning, my name is Leah Moreno.
And I'm Cordell Little. Good morning, Friendship. Today is Thursday, January 11th, 2018.
Friday, FHS Cheer heads out to Fort Worth to compete in the UIL State Cheer Competition. Tiger Vision News reporter AJ spoke with the varsity cheer coach, Mrs. Smith, about their upcoming event.
Hello, I'm AJ. I'm here with Miss Smith, the cheer coach. She's taking the cheer team to state UIL. What have you done to prepare?
We've been working on our routines basically since the first day of school. We do it all the time at all the football games, volleyball games, basketball games. It's basically your crowd involvement, your cheerleaders are spiriting and trying to get everybody excited for the games, and basically that's what our competition is. It's not like a traditional pep rally routine that we normally do. It's all about game day environment, your fight song, a band dance, and your cheerleading performance, your crowd leading cheer that you do. So we've been doing that obviously all year long, but we've also had tons of extra practices, early morning AP, and again late tonight. We'll have another practice before we leave.
How do you guys think you will do?
I mean, we did amazing last year for our first time to ever go, and I have every ounce of confidence that we're going to bring home a state banner, and we already know where we're going to hang it in the Tiger Pit. So we're very confident.
Yeah, thank you.
Our cheer squad will take on more than 76 A schools in the Division II category. Go get 'em, Tigers. Congratulations to all of the Friendship FFA students who participated and placed in the Friendship Stock Show this past Saturday at the show barn.
Friendship Robotics team kicks off their season creating fun costumes for the 8-bit theme this year while creating 2 identical robots. The robots will be completed in 6 to 7 weeks. Good luck in the future to our FHS Robotics team. The callbacks for the spring show 39 Steps are today. So if you got a callback, make sure to go to the Lab Theater at 4 this afternoon. Break a leg today, actors.
Attention band students, don't forget that this Saturday, January 13th, is the band area auditions in Odessa.
For more information on this event, check out the Friendship website or ask the head band director.
That's all for Friendship News.
Now let's head over to Dawson with the World News.
Hi, I'm Dawson Baker here with your World News. Arctic tourism, a potential threat to the environment as ice melts. According to NBC News, for centuries, ambitious mariners pining to traverse the Arctic Circle, they experienced little more than just disappointment and often death. But diminishing sea ice and more temperate weather have made traveling through polar waters a vacation rather than an exploration. Frantic search for survivors in California mudslides. According to CBS News, a desperate search through deep mud continues for more than a dozen people who are still missing after California's deadly mudslides. 17 people were killed by debris, while search crews try to locate 17 others remain missing. Europe urges Trump to honor an Iran nuclear deal. Senior European diplomats have urged the U.S. not to kill off the Iran nuclear deal as President Donald Trump is deciding whether to reimpose sanctions on the country ahead of Friday's deadline. Trump vowed to rip up the agreement during his election campaign and has also repeatedly referred to it as the worst deal ever, accusing Iran of violating the spirit of the pact. That's all for World News. Now let's head to Dalen with the weather.
Good morning, Friendship. I'm Dalen Gonzalez, and this is your 2-day forecast. Today is January 11th, 2018. Today will be cloudy, the high of 50 and low of 24. Tomorrow, the high will be 58 and a low of 22. That's all I have for weather. Have a great weekend, Friendship.
Hello Tigers, I am Julia Fernandez and this is Friendship Sports Zone. Big action for the Friendship soccer teams. This morning the girls are heading out to Georgetown to participate in the Georgetown Invitational Showcase. Here at home, the boys participate in the Lubbock ISD Invitational Tournament. In addition to the individual players, don't forget to go online to the Lubbock Avalanche Journal and vote for Natalie Jones and Magnus McSween, both nominated for their outstanding events. As always, boys basketball is keeping up the hard work this week. The boys begin their district run this Friday as they take on the Odessa Permian Panthers with the first tip at 7:30 p.m. here in the Tiger Pit. Come out and show some Tiger pride. Girls basketball is also working hard this week. The Lady Tigers JV and varsity teams are set to take on the Odessa Permian Panthers tomorrow. JV tip-off is at 4:30, followed by the varsity tip-off at 6. Good luck, girls. That's all for Friendship Sports. Have a great week, Tigers. Let's go back to Leah.
Thanks, Juliet.
Now let's send it off to Christian with our book report of the day.
Hello everybody, my name is Christian Clark and this is my book report on Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone. In this book, 11-year-old Harry Potter finds out that he is a wizard and is invited to go to Hogwarts School of Witchcraft and Wizardry, where he eventually learns how to use his magic and discovers that within the school lies something that can bring Voldemort back to power, the Sorcerer's Stone. This book is a good, adventurous book that people should enjoy, and as many people probably know, this book has been turned into a movie. But in the meantime, this is Christian Clark signing out.
Thanks for tuning in.
And have a great day, Friendship.